How to subscribe Amazon Prime in iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will teach you how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime Premium in your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to get the premium version of Amazon Prime or Prime Video, we will not use the application because the application does not have that feature. So instead we will just open up our Safari browser, and then in the address bar you simply want to go to primevideo.com, and I will also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Now in order to subscribe to Amazon Prime, you need to have an Amazon account. So if you don't have an Amazon account, you can just tap on start your free trial, but if you already do have an Amazon account, you can just tap on the sign in button, or else what you could do, just tap on the start your free trial option over here. Then what you need to do is you need to log into your Amazon account, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that respectively as well. So once you basically enter your Amazon username and password, I'll just go ahead and then tap on the sign in option over here in order to sign in to my Amazon Prime or Amazon account. Then once I've done that, it will take me to a page where it'll ask me to simply enter my card information. So basically in order to subscribe, you need to add a credit or debit card. Currently, depending upon the region, there could be different type of payment method. In this case, what you need to do is simply go ahead and then actually enter the name on your card as well. Then once you enter the name on your card, you have to simply go ahead and then make sure to enter your card number. Once you enter your card number, just make sure to select your expiration date of the card, make sure the information is correct, and then just tap on the add your card button. So basically when you tap on the add your card option, it will take you to a few other pages where you can simply confirm, and then you will successfully get the premium version of Amazon Prime or Prime Video on your iPhone. That's all it takes to subscribe to Amazon Prime on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.